Welcome back to Build Life. We're here in Kentucky to button up some loose ends. So Tully and I ran up here for a quick trip. We got here yesterday, Friday, unloaded the truck, ran out to Lowe's. We got some dinner, and we didn't get dinner at Lowe's, but we got some dinner while we were in the area. Picked up some drywall and a few things so we can get this bathroom finished off. Eggs and bacon with a centerpiece of DeWalt. If you've been watching the channel, you'll know the last trip I came up here with my dad and my brother, and we got pretty much everything in the walls and the floor for the bathroom done and ready for drywall. We got the water system in, we got all the plumbing in the floor and the stuff in the wall. There were a few things that we just couldn't get while we're here, so I went home and ordered them. They came in, and we're going to install those today. In addition to that, we're going to put up a little bit of drywall, insulate the walls, and make sure that when I come back with an army of guys, we're ready to hang and tape the rest of the drywall and get the bathrooms finished off so we can get this thing done. So I know it's been kind of a long time. I feel like I did a, hey, we're all done with the cabin video, 5 videos ago, probably 30 videos ago, but 5 months ago. And here we are finishing it off. But we we'll get some of the little detail, piddly stuff done this trip. And we'll come back, I think, beginning of August here with 6 or 8 guys, and we will finish this thing off. Finish, I'm doing air quotes, finish this thing off. One of the reasons we ran up here was to swap Kubotas. I have a L2501 that I've had at my house for kind of doing property maintenance. We had it here originally, then I bought an L4060 Limited, and that's a much bigger tractor. So we put beet juice in the wheels, and that thing, just the lift capacity on that tractor surpasses this 2501. It's double. Things have kind of changed. You know, we're finishing up this first cabin. The other ones that we're going to build are going to be much smaller. We don't have quite the need for the heavier machine. And I did put wheel spacers, if you're watching the channel, as well as that beet juice, that rim guard ballast in the back tires. So that 2501 is performing better for the needs here. And back at home, I need a little bigger machine for brush hog in the field in the back. So for right now, that's what we're going to do. We're going to swap these 2 machines out and see if we could get by with the 2501 back here. Fits in a shipping container a little better, just I think for our needs for now, at least for the summer, this will be a better option. So this footage is a couple weeks old. As soon as we got back from this trip, we took off for a family vacation in my parents' cabin in Wisconsin. When we got back from there, I hopped on a plane, took off for California, watched my sister get married. Congratulations, Jen and Brandon. Now I'm back here. We're getting packed up for this big push in Kentucky. Hoping to finish it all off and hoping you'll come along. So see you then. Thanks for watching.